Hello, friends. Good evening. This is our second session of Daily Run Python, which is available on our channel playlist. This is the Daily Run Python. We have started this playlist because many students are facing their problems during running programs or executing the programs which sir taught in this playlist, like Python programming. It is a complete course of Python. So here is our second session. Today we are going to discuss about the data types. Means in before video we have discussed about the uh, 2 to 3 programs about different functions are used, different minute topics are used, and that like we discuss about area of a circle, a program for even odd, or and a program for taking an input. Today we are going to take a list of prime numbers, multiplication of 10 table, and 5 and 7, and a prime number rectangle and sequence numbers. So this is our today's goal. If you are looking for these notes, it is simply available through the community post. Just follow the process. Simply click on our channel. This is our channel, Course Time. Go to community, and this is our yesterday we have updated the handles which have been Coach Time has. Like it has an Instagram handles more than 58 followers. It has Facebook channel, Facebook page, Coach Time. It is also a LinkedIn time. LinkedIn means LinkedIn, Coach Time, and also have a Twitter account. So just simply click, and this is the post about the daily run Python. And this is if you means Python missing videos available in this, just simply click on the Google Drive link. It will redirect it to this, means like 19 to 25 there are lectures. Because of some issues we have private these 19 to 25 videos, and 26 to 29 videos are completely available in this folder. Then go to complete notes and select Python notes. Just simply click on, this is the total Python complete notes available through this course, means which topics are totally covered through this course are. You can see the upcoming topics, means like just simply slide down. uh, you can see this, means if the current topic is going on, if you can see the next which topics will be discussing on the next videos. It is helpful to all the students to know about the different topics, like and we are going to cover these many topics, like data read operations, display data operators, flow control functions, modules, packages, exception handling, files, pickling and unpickling concepts, OS models, database. We are going to discuss about how to connect a simple Python program to a Oracle database. We are simply MySQL examples. These are many examples I have taken. Oracle. These many examples I have taken. There are also types of commands like DDL, DML, DRL command, data definition language, data modification language, or data retrieval language, Python, and simply string handling part 2. And there is a main OOPS concept. It is discussed about the class, objects, and many more going to do. This is our notes, complete notes. Just simply slide down, because these means these are the features of Python which will be discussed in the video. These are normally not very any different minute topics are not discussed. So we are going to take the data types. Yeah. So data types in Python means the main purpose of data types is that to allocate sufficient amount of memory space for input of a program. For example, we have to allocate a memory for a simple number, so we have to use int data type. In Python program, we have 14 data types. Like these are the minute topics we are going to discuss, like fundamental category data types, sequence category data types, list category data types, set category data types, dictionary category data types. There are total 14 data types available in Python. If you can ask, means normally students can't say the 14 data types. Means they don't know about they only say about the int, str, but bool complex, and many other also are very useful. Then starting from our first category, fundamental category data types, we have int, float, bool, complex. Yesterday we have seen, means on the previous sessions we have seen about the int data type, means taking the input, what is the use of int and str. If you miss that video, just simply click on the our course time channel, go to playlist and simply click on daily run Python and simply watch this video before watching this. So fundamental category data types means int, float, bool, complex. Int is basically for numbers, is basically for decimal numbers, bool is for computing the value of true or false, like bool of, int of. These are the means. In this session we are also going to cover about decimal number system, means type of number systems we have. They are means decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So simply these also means I'm just going to overthrow this topic because the uh, main topics are discussed in the Python programming playlist. In this playlist we are also in this playlist we are going to solve that programs practically, means what is the importance in the what are the applications in real life. So starting from our first example, Python display data. Yesterday we have seen these examples. Then today we are going to see about the list of prime numbers. Edit with, simply right click on edit with ideally. It is easy to use, and so yeah, this is our program. N equal to int input up to numbers, print list of prime numbers for, yeah. So so this is our commenting line, means hash for the single line comments. For multi-line comments, just simply click on. Uh, you can also write this, or you can also write single quotes also. So discussing about the topic, we simply use means hash for commenting because it is in red formats. Yeah. So our first line of code, and up to there are total 8 lines of code, means how many topics we are going to cover this, like data type, input functions. There are like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 topics. 6 minute topics are discussed. Our first topic is about the taking the input, hash taking the input. Taking the input means in this format, input. This is our first function, like uh, taking the input from the numbers. This is the display message at the output, as the it is for user side, means client side. Up to numbers will be printed on that side. So simply we are going to take input through this up to numbers, where a user can enter the numbers that we are going to take. Then simply it converted into int data type. So why we are going to convert into int data type? Because the one and only in Python, every input is taken as str only. Like just simply remove this, and we are going to see about the, yeah. For displaying the which category data, which function we are using, like type of. So print type of n. So this function is used for displaying which category it is from. So simply Control S, simply press F5. So up to numbers 40. For example, we say 10. So it is class str. So here we can get the error, like type error can only concatenate str, not int to str. So this is our error, that it only concatenate str, not int to str, because every input is taken as a str only. But we have to discussing about the int data type. So int is necessary for this to convert. So simply we have added decoration. It's nothing much like that. Just simply click on star into 50. So then taking the input, that is the input method. About the then our taking the input, and then our next topic, the small topic is data type, and then we have a print function. Then we are using loops, for loop, and then if else statement. If else, if else statements. So there are total five minute topics are discussed in this, like taking the input, then taking about the int, then about the print function, then for loop, then about if else statements. So about how we are discussing the fourth line of code, that is simply fourth is list of, just print the list of prime numbers. Then this is our main goal. Like we have used this for loop for I in range of 2 comma n plus 1. Why we are taking the 2 comma n plus 1? 2, because 1 is neither prime or nor a single number, non-prime number, or it is not. So prime numbers are counted from only from 2. So on forward of 2, then we have n plus 1. N plus 1, because if you take, for example, in calculating the range, it only takes about, for example, range of 10. It gives the output that uh, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Simply we can check that up to numbers 10. So yes, okay, I got it. Print uh, for I in range of 10, for I in range of 10, print I comma and equal to space. This function end is simply for means end of the line, we can also cover it as space, like this, simply 10. Yeah. So here is our range 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9. So we understand that the range is calculated from 0 to n minus 1 only. For example, our n is 10, so 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So we are taking the n plus 1, because if it is 10, then 10 plus 11, 11 minus 1, 10. So our total prime numbers range will be at 10 only. So 3, 5, 7, 9. So these numbers are repeatedly allowed. So if you can also use the loops or statements, different loops for, means if it is 3 or if it is 7, then break. Okay. Then simply else, yeah, we got this. Okay. Then our sorry for the this is these operators are used in this. So Esther, in previous session, we have discussed about these operators. So this is the percentage. This is the modulo operator for getting the division. Modulo operator, and and this is the type of logical. This is the arithmetic operator, modulo operator of arithmetic operator. Just avoid the spellings. because we have to learn only the concepts. Then equality operator of logical equal operator. These topics we are going to see in upcoming videos of Python programming, like simply check, like we have discussed about on which after this data types we are going to cover the means typecasting techniques is also we are going to cover reading the message. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, operators in Python. There are total seven types of operators in Python, like arithmetic operators, assignment operator, relational operator, logical operators, bitwise operator. Then arithmetic operator, this is the modulo division. This is modulo operator we are going to discuss in this program. Then I think it is means the second equality operator is of relational operator. Yeah, this is the equality operator of getting a true or false condition. Like if it is only it is, for example, it is of relational. Just simply remove this relational operator. What is the use of means equality operator in this? If it is only the zero, then simply break because that is not our prime number. So if it is not, then it comes to an else statement. So that is our prime number. For example, if you can say one, it's simply after this program, it simply uh, simply delete this as after entering the one, simply click F5. What will guess the output of this product? According to me, or simple this is program, it started from 2 to 10 directly. For example, you enter 10, this is like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like 4, 6, 8, 10, because that is number divisible by 1 and only. So these are not our prime numbers. So simply click 0 for getting the division operator 0. So here we understand about the modular operators of arithmetic operator, then equality operator of relational operator. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 topics we have covered in this function. So just simply click Control Save. If you want these programs, I simply just comment below this video or in previous video. I will upload through this Google Drive or Classroom. Just simply Control S. And the next example we are going to take. So our next topic, there might be some background noise behind me. So it's just simply avoid it. Our topic is about discussing the like yes, this is the data types which are going to cover. Also, this is the range data type. We have covered simply through this program, like range of. So this is the range. Range is one of the predefined class and treated as sequence category array. It simply counts the range of 0 to n minus 1 for Boolean ranges. So here we get the example. Yeah, we have discussed through this example also. And our next example is about the multiplication of, like, I think 10 table. It is that. Yeah. From this, I remember that what is Python? Python is simply a one line of code. Here, I just write when my faculty teaches me about the Python programming language, I simply entered in one line of code. Let's enter, just simply run. What is the output of this program? Let me see. Simply click F5. Enter the first value. For example, if we say 5, enter the second value 2. Multiplication of about two numbers is 10. Yeah, I got it. Multiplication of two numbers. So this is the one line of code that you will able to do in Python only or else also. So simply this is we are going to take about the print function. We are simply about the topics we are going to cover. There are total simply print function, print function. print function we have used. Then simply this is the line of where means a user get this line for this like okay. Multiplication about two numbers, and this is set column and dot format. Yeah, dot format function, which will be covered in our Python programming playlist. If simply you don't understand, it is the simply a format means like if we are going to print about, for example, a a equal to 10. Just simply of printing print of print a. Simply you have to click on means about the set column dot format of a our semicolon. Yeah. Yeah, the dot is necessary for this. This is the simple example of a format function. Like if you are going to simply of instead of printing a, this value is printed in dot format of a. Then our going to this print function is used. Then our second topic is dot format method. Then our third topic is float data type input method, float float data type. Then input method. Then this is the symbol multiplicative operator like star, multiplication operator, ter, and simply also and again float data type is used. Float data type use then input, then enter the second number simply. So we can also write this code into two means 4 to 5 lines, but simply you can write alone in one line also. So there are total five topics, five minute topics are discussed in this program. Simply multiplication of two multiplication of two numbers. Why I'm going to take means this type of course, because on YouTube means simply a programmer is to understand about simple and minute topics which are going to in program, because this is the small programs will improve us the basic concepts of any programming language. You can take it either Python or as you wish. So that's why I'm started this playlist, because it is minute topics. If you are going to take or means uh, if you are means going through this daily, means going to see these videos daily, then you will definitely crack your interview this, because small in the interview there are small topics, means small minute topics are very useful to cracking an interview. Like that the interviewer asked you about the program. In that program these minute topics which are means like these topics are building the programs easily. That's why. So simply we have to see this output of this practically. F5, enter the first value 5, enter the second value 40. So 5 into 40 is 200, and this is the 10. And here we get the dot format of a, like means this is a equal to 10, print dot format of a10. This format function is means discussed and taught in that course time Python programming playlist. Here is it is the playlist. Just simply look on course time. This is our introduction. If you recently didn't watch this video, please watch this video. This video describes how introduction to course time. Course time deals with the real-time problems. So go to playlist session. Simply click on Python programming. Here it is available about total Python programming videos are available. In these videos, the format function is described in the previous means starting of the video like 1920, that is available on this Google Drive folder, which is available in the community first. So today we have done for the day about the second session of Daily Run Python. Thank you. Just click on the subscribe button and like this video.